How to trace basic math formula dependencies in Excel. Have you ever wondered how to track where your numbers come from in Microsoft Excel? Understanding how to trace basic math formula dependencies can make your spreadsheet work much easier. Let's break it down step by step. To start, you need to select the cell that contains the formula you want to analyze. This could be a simple addition or a more complex calculation. Once you have your cell selected, head over to the Formulas tab on the Excel ribbon. Here, you will find a group called Formula Auditing. This is where the magic happens. First, click on the Trace Precedence button. When you do this, arrows will appear, pointing to all the cells that feed into your selected formula. This visual representation helps you see exactly which numbers are being used in your calculations. It's a great way to ensure that your formulas are pulling the correct data. Now, if you want to see which cells depend on the value of your selected cell, click on the Trace Dependence button. This will show arrows pointing to all the cells that relying on the value of your chosen cell. It's like seeing the ripple effect of your data across the spreadsheet. You can click these buttons multiple times to reveal multiple levels of dependencies. This is especially useful if you have a formula that builds on other calculations. For instance, if you have a cell that sums values from several other cells, tracing precedence will highlight all those input cells. If your formulas span across multiple worksheets, Excel will indicate this with a dotted arrow line that ends in a worksheet icon. You can double-click this arrow to open a dialog box, allowing you to jump directly to the dependent cell on another sheet. Keep in mind that Excel only traces one cell at a time. This can be a bit slow if you are working with large models. Also, the arrows can become visually cluttered if your sheet is complex. It's worth noting that dependencies inside charts or hyperlinks are not tracked by these tools. To clear the arrows and remove the visual indicators, simply click the Remove Arrows button in the same Formula Auditing group. This will help keep your spreadsheet neat and organized. Using these tracing tools is essential for mastering basic math formulas in Excel. It helps you understand how your data flows through calculations and can assist in identifying any errors or unintended links. By following these steps, you can gain a clearer picture of your spreadsheet structure and functionality.